We are located at Brumarska Road where the resurfacing is currently taking place. The milling is underway using our 3D technology called Exact Street, which is based on a precise and digital 3D model.
There are two GPS devices placed on top, and that allows us to measure the exact position. We have uploaded a differential digital model of milling into this tablet. All of the data from our tablet goes straight into the milling machine, and it is then controlled automatically. Without our 3D model, the milling machine operator can only set up the constant milling depth based on the project specifications. There's absolutely no way predicting the road imperfections, so the milling machine can only improve the longitudinal ride by averaging out the existing grade irregularities and therefore removing the asphalt pavement in all areas that are actually not required to be removed whatsoever. The Exact Street technology allows us to set an optimal milling depth position of the machine in all locations of milling at all times.
Here is a perfect example where we can clearly demonstrate the difference in our milling process from 4 centimeters to 7 centimeters.
3D milling using total stations require direct visual connection between the total station and the milling machine, which is usually very problematic due to elements such as the traffic, other construction machines, or vegetation. Complications are also caused by vibrations from wind or construction machines themselves. One of the biggest advantages of Exact Street technology is that it doesn't require any total stations and surveyors to guide the milling machine. GPS receiver and a tablet with a digital grade sheet on the milling machine is all we need. Being a Wirtgen representative, I can say that we can easily make the road smooth thanks to the Exact Street 3D differential milling. The milling machine operator doesn't need to focus on controlling the milling parameters, and so it allows him to operate the machine with safety while also given an opportunity to perform other duties. The main advantage and the benefits of the Exact Street differential milling offer immense flexibility in planning out the project and focus on details of the working area. The direction of milling can often be affected by traffic, but with our technology, we're able to start and restart from anywhere without any delay. Exact Street 3D differential milling technology is definitely a step forward, and it will facilitate the work of everyone, including the construction managers, technicians, workers, and the machine operators. The definition of future is simply based on quality and improvement. We have definitely accelerated in all of those spectrums.
If we can incorporate the Exact Street 3D technology into the milling process during the initial project preparation, we can manage to keep the cost of the project as low as an estimate even without this technology. The cost will only be altered by the use of the precise survey, which can be used in the future for archiving purposes. We will store the accurate information about the entire communication, as well as the location of street drains, for instance, and other utilities. We can collect these materials for all services where 3D technology for the milling process will be used. We can accurately verify whether the quantity of materials used for the project is equivalent to the materials planned, and furthermore assess all layers that need to be laid and thus control and sustain the quality in the future.
The government aspect of our business is obviously very important to us as well. Our technology does not only shorten the closing time of the road reconstruction, but also assures the quality that greatly impacts the environment and well-being of our citizens. Thanks to the accurate measurements of the contractor, whose contribution will surely and significantly affect the quality and the endurance of the final product, which is perfectly resurfaced road.